One of Charlotte's most expensive homes just got listed here at Lake Norman for a cool $12 million. This home is unbelievable with the indoor, outdoor, great feel and views of the lake. So let's take a look and see what we can learn. The sprawling mansion sits on Lake Norman's Belle Island Drive, which is about 20 miles north of the city of Charlotte. The property spans over 7,200 square feet and includes smart home automation, a glass wine cellar, floor-to-ceiling windows, and retractable doors that make the indoor-outdoor blend unbelievable, and the living spaces are fantastic. You have views of the lake year-round. It features 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, and 3 half baths. The estate includes a 1.44-acre lot with 360 feet of shoreline of Lake Norman's gorgeous area. It comes with a pool, the pool house, a full kitchen, wet bar, and living areas. Outdoor amenities include your own private beach, the pier, your boat lift, an infinity pool, hot tub, outdoor kitchen, and so many more things to do. So please give me a holler. Let me know what we can do to help get you into have a private showing of this gorgeous estate here at Lake Norman. It's Mark Weinberg, your favorite local realtor. How may I serve your local real estate needs? Bye.